Everything in our world is connected through sounds we can't always hear. For example, bees work together to create honeycombs by buzzing in harmony. They do this in a special key called C. In modern medicine, doctors use high-pitched sounds, between 100,000 and 300,000 Hz, to target and treat cancer without harming healthy cells. Have you ever heard of a 40 Hz tone? When played, it helps our brain focus better, making studying and working easier. Some say that a 432 Hz sound, different from the usual 440 Hz in Western music, can calm our minds. This sound might bring balance to our emotions. Long ago, people used special tones, known as solfeggio scales, for healing and meditation. These ancient sounds are becoming popular again, because they help many people feel better. For instance, the 528 Hz tone is often called the love sound. It's believed to help our DNA repair itself and make us feel more compassionate. There are more helpful tones too. The 396 Hz sound might help us let go of guilt. The 417 Hz one could help shift our mood to a positive one. The 639 Hz tone might improve our communication skills. The 741 Hz sound could boost our intuition. Lastly, the 852 Hz tone might help us connect to a deeper part of ourselves. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.